What's up, everybody? It's your boy Kid Wakanda, and we're back. And we have finished all the preparations that we can do up until now and are ready to put the engine into the car now. It's ready to go into the RX-8, people. As you can see, I put on an ATI dampener because since I've changed the oil pump, it's going to have a lot of vibrations. So we need something to kind of counterbalance that. And so we got an ATI dampener pulley to do all this. And so now what you're seeing is me and a very close friend of mine getting to work on trying to get the last bits of stuff trying to fit the engine in. But this was a process because, as some of you may know, I've never done this in my life. So what you're seeing is two people who've never done this in their life attempt to do something just brand new, which is a good thing. Gaining experience is a great thing to do because life would be boring if we just didn't have any new experiences. So I do recommend that if you're on the fence of like doing this, do it. Go get a car, go get something that you can just futz around with and just try. But do know that this is an expensive hobby, and of course with expensive hobbies it's a great risk. But this is one that I felt relatively confident in that it shouldn't cost too much, even with me buying mistakes and having to return stuff if I can, and just being able to do what I can. So what you're seeing now is just us trying to figure out, like, why are we stuck? Couldn't get the engine quite in just yet, so we had to take it in, pull it out a few times just to try and get it to fit into the car. And this took a long time. I had no idea what the timeline was going to be for this, of how long it was going to take, but it was a long time. This was a 2-day process that happened over 2 weeks. So we tried one day and then we weren't able to get it in. So we tried another weekend after I started doing more things to the engine bay just to make sure that the engine could fit, and taking stuff off of the engine because it was impacting and causing it harder and harder for this to fit in there. So yeah. But what you see at the very end here is the end product, and that the engine is now in the car. And next time you see it, we may be in a different location. Till next time, folks, I've been your boy Kid Wakanda. This is Project Redtail. Please like, comment, subscribe, as if we're in the 2000s, the very early ones. And we'll see you next time.